Hello traders. In this video, we are going to be talking about the Onyx EA for MT4 and MT5. This is a premium black box style system known for its performance. So let's see the claims and how it performed when I put it through my personal backtests. Alright, before we dive into that, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. It's in the link in the description below. Right, so let's get into it. As you can see from the MKO5 page, the Onyx EA is a sophisticated algorithmic trading system that uses advanced proprietary logic to navigate the markets. It combines multiple strategies or filters for consistent results across pairs. Right, the EA focuses on VIX adjusted returns with dynamic management and strong drawdown control. It's available for both platforms and positioned as a reliable choice for serious traders seeking automated consistency. So it's designed for trading XAUSD gold when daily levels are broken. And the strategy is based on automatically determining the previous day's high and low, for which buy stop and sell stop pending orders are placed. Each trade comes with a stop loss, take profits, and a customizable trailing stop which dynamically adapts or adjusts the stop loss level following the price. Alright, so we can see the advised parameters XAUSD on the 1 hour time frame, or it can be set on any time frame chart, and is recommended to use a broker with low spreads. So from the screenshots we have on the developer site, you can see for a period of 2025 to 2026, you can see how the equity curve looks like. It remained flat for most of the period and then picked up towards the end. And this looks like sharp gains towards the period where it actually started performing or started trading. Ended up taking 792 trades over the period. For the initial deposit of $150, the total net profit was $118,321. There was a profit factor of 3.53, which was quite impressive. And then the balance drawdown was 26.82%. All right, so this is all well and good from the developer, but what actually happens when I put this through my own personal backtests? All right, let me quickly go over to MT5. We are going to be using the recommended pair XAUUSD to test this EA. Yeah, and I'm going to be using it for on the 1 hour time frame as also recommended by the developer, and I'll be testing it for a period of 1 year ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. So that's a period of a year, and my initial deposit during this test was $10,000. So we saw how the EA performed during the developers testing. We saw the screenshots, we saw the nice gains and how the equity curve looked. Although it was flat through most of the period, it picked up towards the end of the period, and it actually ended up pretty nice with pretty decent gains in the hundreds of thousands. So let's check that out. If if it's going to give us a similar result when I put it through my own testing. All right, so looking at the graph already, we can see how it performs. The graph is basically flat. There's absolutely no activity going on, as you can see. No trades being taken. It's just a straight line showing that the EA did absolutely nothing for the 1 year period on the XAU USD pair. It did absolutely nothing for the 1 year period, and this is also shown in the backtest results. As you can see, the total trades is 0. It took absolutely no trades. So our initial deposit remains untouched at $10,000. No total net profit, no profit factor, and no drawdowns. So it actually raises some eyebrows considering what we have on the developers page and the developer screenshots. As you can see, there are quite a number of trades here, 792, and in this case as well. But putting it through our own personal backtest, you could see that the EA did absolutely nothing. So it's kind of hard to quantify that, or it's kind of hard to take what the developer says the EA does at face value, because actually it seems like it does nothing, especially since we use the recommended pair and the recommended time frame as well. So compared to many EAs, the balance of aggression and protection actually stands out, as we could see. The black box nature means trusting the performance after testing, but the testing didn't really yield any results for us to go on. But honestly, seems like the features that matter are proper rig settings and letting it run on recommended pairs. The engine seems well tuned, um especially for the fact that even if it didn't take any trades, it seems like it's didn't use that as a reason to open bad trades and put us in periods of drawdowns or end up in a loss. But the nuances include that the black box means less understanding of why trades are taken or why they are not taken, as well as we saw in my back test. The results can vary by broker, so forward testing is essential. In practice, monitor periodically and adjust risks as needed. So, who is this EA actually for and who should avoid it? It's great for traders who want a reliable premium system and are comfortable with proprietary logic. It's good for long term automated trading, but you should avoid if you prefer fully transparent strategies or need to understand every signal. Overall, the Onyx EA is a strong contender in the premium category with good risk adjusted performance. It deserves consideration if it fits your style after demo testing. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.